Look at this!
It says, "Help, I am lost."
Dad! Look at this!
What did you find, Ethan?
A message in a bottle? Let's open it.
It says, "Help, I am lost." Help, I am lost. We must follow the river upstream.
Let's go, team!
Look carefully. We need to find clues.
A footprint! Someone walked here.
Someone walked here.
Look, Mommy! A red hat! A red hat!
The hat is small. It belongs to a child.
We are on the right path. Let's hurry.
I see a bridge! Over there!
Hold my hand, Lily. Walk slowly.
Which way do we go now?
Max found the scent.
Good boy, Max.
Good boy, Max! Huh? It is just a funny squirrel. It is just a funny squirrel.
We must find him before evening.
We are getting closer. Keep going.
Look! Smoke! A campfire!
Hello! Is anyone there?
The fire is warm. He is near.
I found a whistle!
Daniel! We are here to help.
You found my bottle! Huh, I was lost.
You are safe now. Are you okay?
Yes, thank you. I lost my map. We found your hat too! My lucky hat! You are the best team.
Base camp, we found the missing boy.
How did you find my bottle? It washed up on the beach. It was magic!
Almost home. You are very brave, Daniel. Thank you for finding him.
It was a family teamwork.
Can I keep the bottle, Dad?
Of course, it is a great souvenir.
Always help people in need. It is important.
We are heroes today!
What a great adventure. I am proud of you. See you on the next adventure! Bye!
What an amazing story! Welcome to our post-show.
Let's talk about the story. First question, where did the family find the bottle?
The answer is in the river! Did you know that following a river upstream means walking against the water flow? Now, question 2. Who found the red hat?
It is Lily! You are doing great! Last question. What is the name of the lost boy?
The answer is Daniel.
Exactly. And the main lesson here is always help people in need. It is important.
Did you learn new words today? Tell us in the comments.
Thanks for watching. See you on the next adventure.
Max, where are you? Ethan, look! A paper on the ground. Dad! Max is missing! I found this note.
It says, I have your dog. Come to the...
The rest is torn. Did someone take him?
We must find Max right now.
Let's search outside.
Look for clues.
Look! Muddy prints. They go towards the street.
They go towards the street.
The prints go across the street.
Hold hands. Let's walk across safely.
Mrs. Emily, did you see our dog, Max? A man walked him past the bakery.
Past the bakery! Thank you! Look! His red ball is next to the door.
They went behind the bakery.
Let's follow the path behind the shops.
I see something under the bench. I see something under the bench. It is a dog biscuit under the bench. Max loves those. We are close.
Excuse me, did a man and a dog go through here? Yes! They went up the hill.
Walk carefully up the hill, kids.
I will save you, Max.
Quiet, everyone. Stand behind the wall.
Is that the kidnapper? He is outside the tower. Max looks happy.
Excuse me. That is our dog.
Wait, it is Mr. Christopher, the vet.
Max, you are safe.
I found him wandering outside my clinic. But what about this ransom note? That is not a ransom. The wind tore it. It said, I have your dog. Come to the clinic.
We thought someone kidnapped him.
Max, you are a bad boy for running away.
He broke his leash and ran into the park. Thank you for keeping him safe, Christopher. Goodbye!
We are great detectives.
Yes, we followed all the clues through town.
We went past the bakery and under the bench.
You know all your directions perfectly, Ethan.
You found him! Wonderful! He was just visiting the vet.
Welcome back inside, Max. He is very tired from his adventure.
Always keep the gate closed from now on.
No more detective work for today.
Bye! See you on the next adventure. Bye!
What an amazing story!
Welcome to our post show. Let's talk about the story. First question, where did the paw prints go?
The answer is across the street. Did you know across means from one side to the other? Now, question 2. What did Lily find under the bench?
It is a dog biscuit! You are doing great!
Last question.
Last question, who was the man outside the tower?
The answer is Mr. Christopher, the vet.
Exactly. And the main lesson here is always keep the gate closed.
Did you learn new words today? Tell us in the comments.
Thanks for watching. See you on the next adventure.
It was a quiet evening until the wind started to blow. Ethan, do you hear that sound? Do you hear that sound? It sounds like a whisper. Who is out there? Who is out there?
Are you looking at the forest, kids?
Dad, there is a strange whisper outside.
Let's go and find out what it is, together.
Max wants to be a detective too.
Be careful, explorers. Stay close to your father.
Keep your lights pointed at the ground.
There is the sound again. It is getting louder. Look! Something is moving in the bushes.
Stay calm. Let's look closer.
Oh, it is just a little rabbit.
See? Shadows can trick our eyes in the dark.
Max is following the sound. Good boy. Dad, look up there. A monster.
It is not a monster, Lily. It is only a broken branch.
The whisper is very loud now. We are close.
There it is, the whispering tree.
The wind goes into the hole and makes a whistle sound.
Like a flute.
Wait. Max hears something else inside.
Hello in there. Who is hiding? Well, look at you, a baby owl.
Whoa. He is not a ghost. He is so cute.
We must not touch wild animals, Lily. His mother will come back soon.
Here is a small snack for you, little owl.
Mystery solved. We found the whisper and the owl.
Huh? The forest is not scary when you understand it.
Welcome back, brave detectives. What did you find? Wow!
It was a big tree making a whistle! And a baby owl! Woo!
There is always a logical answer in the dark.
What an amazing mystery! Welcome to our post show.
Let's talk about the story. First question, what did the family take to see in the dark?
The answer is flashlights. Did you know that flashlights are essential for safe camping?
Yeah.
Now, question 2. Was the big shadow a real monster?
It is a broken tree branch. You are doing great. Last question, what made the whispering sound in the forest?
The answer is the wind blowing through a hollow tree.
Exactly. And the main lesson here is, the forest is not scary when you understand it.
Did you learn new words today? Tell us in the comments.
Thanks for watching. See you on the next adventure.